In this video, I'll show you how to install the GTA Underground mod to combine multiple GTA game maps, cities, vehicles, and features into one expanded GTA San Andreas experience. Check my video description for this mod. Right click on the GTA SA and select Vendor and select Open with Vendor. And minimize this. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Before installing any mods, backup your San Andreas folder. Copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder and make sure you have the clean unmodded copy of GTA San Andreas and then open .exe, drag and drop this exe inside of a game folder and then close stuff here. Go to downloads folder, right click on the underground mod, right click vendor and select extract to. After extract done, open the extracted folder, open this application, select yes option and select OK and select next. Select the browse option and navigate to the game folder. Select the game folder and select OK and select next and select the yes option and select this. I already have this. My game does not need downgrade and select next and select install. After this installation done, select finish and close tab here. Right click on the game and select open file location and find this 14,000 KB. Right click show more options, send it to desktop, create shortcut. Launch through this newly created shortcut. Select continue. We have successfully installed the GTA San Andreas Underground mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.